Hello everyone and welcome back to Mixi Videos by Sam. I hope you all are doing well. I'm also good by the grace of Almighty Allah, Alhamdulillah. So today our topic is about reading corner ideas. Do you know that reading is extremely important? Therefore, it is terrific idea to create a favorite reading spot for reading the perfect book within your home or classroom. So, a reading corner can be anything you want it be as long as it provides comfort for reading. You might choose to decorate your reading corner with fluffy rugs, cozy cushions, comfortable chair, decorative lights or lamps or something like education like quotes or something else, motivational posters, fun themes and many more. So, the goal is to create a comfortable and inspiring place to read. If you need some great inspiration for your classroom or personal reading corners, then check out our terrific and wonderful ideas in this video. So, I hope it helps. For the perfect reading corner, you will need bright colors, bookshelf, a couple of throw pillows, and as I told before, fluffy rugs and many kindergarten appropriate books. Kindergartens will love reading in this designated comfortable reading area. You can create classroom corner for reading by using a small table in bright colors, cushions, a cute rug and bookshelves to hold your kid favorite books. Kids will enjoy this cozy space for reading independently or with others. To encourage children to read, they should be provided with comfortable places that inspire them to do so. These spaces can be tailored to fit the needs of any size space as well as any size budget. Hopefully, these ideas of reading corners have been provided will inspire you as you choose to create reading space in your school, home, or classroom. If you are new in our videos, so please don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. And do comment your favorite reading corner. Thank you for watching and keep watching our channel. See you soon. Goodbye. Thank you for watching once again.